in our garage, in our backyard, that can really prove fatal for our pets.
Some of them are probably obvious, and some you may not have thought of, and so we turn to Dr. Jill, our favorite veterinarian, live in Orangevale. Help us be aware of what's dangerous for our critters.
Well, it's National Pet Poison Prevention Month. That's a mouthful, huh? And I wanted to talk about a few things that people have around the house that you don't even think about that your pets can get into and cause some havoc.
Okay.
So right here, first thing I want to mention, because a lot of people call me and ask for pain relief. We have a lot of older pets now. People want to make sure they're comfortable. And people ask me all the time about acetaminophen, ibuprofen. That is extremely toxic to your pets. Just 200 milligrams of acetaminophen can cause gastric ulcers in your pet. So I want to make sure you know, don't give of your own anti-inflammatories to your pets. Check with your veterinarian. There's a ton of them out on the market now, natural and Western medicine as well. And also prescription bottles. I get a ton of phone calls. People drop their prescriptions. They leave their bottles undone. I don't care if these look child or pet proof. They're clearly not when they have big canines that will puncture these.
Right.
So if I was a dog, I would want to crunch on those in a minute.
Yep, you know, I mean, they look like a little bit of a chew toy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Also, all these really pretty ornamental flowers, these beautiful lilies. Of course, Easter's coming up. We want to make sure that you keep your pets away from your ornamentals because they can be toxic. Of course, household items, lots of items contain bleach. And look at this. This one's my favorite. A lot of people think these are innocent. They're dryer sheets.
Oh my gosh, yes. Charlie always tries to grab those out of the laundry.
Yep, well, they're toxic, Bethany. And look at this. They can get caught up in their gut.
Yeah.
And you can't see those on an x-ray. So until it takes, you know, it takes a lot of diagnostics to try to find one of these in your pet, less than opening them up.
Several times to take it out of his mouth.
You know, car products, really important. Antifreeze is huge. 1 teaspoon of antifreeze can kill your cat, or a tablespoon can kill your dog. It doesn't take much. It has a sweet taste to it. They make pet-friendly antifreeze now, so look for that. It's a little more expensive, but it's way better for them than this nice, lovely, sweet-tasting green stuff that looks pretty and shiny and drops from your car, and then the cats look it up afterwards, right?
I know that's one of the classic ones, Dr. Jill, and that's the first I've heard that they're making pet-friendly ones. Is it not toxic to pets, or do they put something in it that makes the pets not want to drink it?
A little of both,
Okay.
actually. Good question, Paul. So, yes, look for that. Again, it's a little more expensive, but I'll tell you what, it saves you money in the long run because if you have to rush your pet to the vet, believe me, that bill's going to be high. And a lot of times you can't save them from antifreeze poisoning.
Oh, wow.
So take that insurance. And then I want to make mention insecticides. And look at these little innocent-looking mouse traps.
Oh, gosh.
A lot of pets get stuck in those. I've had them come in with them on their feet, on their lips. You know, they're going after the peanut butter or whatever it is that people are putting on there. And then these sticky fly traps. A lot of dogs get them stuck to their coat and you end up tearing their hair out of them. They're also a little bit toxic. I mean, there's insecticides on all these things.
Okay.
The one thing people don't realize is, of course, Diva's been eyeballing this little chocolate and coffee grinds. Make sure to keep those away from your pet as well. Very toxic.
Diva doing a good job of showing you that dogs are interested in those things, so do be careful. Dr. Jill, thank you, and it's always nice when you bring my favorite dog along with you. We appreciate that. If you'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Jill, check out her website. It's drjill.com, or just give her a call. The number is right there on your screen.